Hey guys, I'm doing this tire here again. I'm putting it back on. Now what I like to do is I like to take some of this anti-seize. I like to do this whenever I can. I like to just put like just a little bit on there, just a little bit. And I like to go back up here and get a nice little, whoops, god damn it, there, hold on. I have to get like a nice little bead out over there, you know. I have to get a longer, there you go. Get a nice one there, you know. Hold on here. There. Make a nice little bead there. There we go. I'm gonna put two of them on here. Okay, with these ones, there's a flange on them here. Oh, got some shit on there. Oh well. There's a flange right there. There's a flange right there that has to go to the inside of the wheel. So it goes like that. It goes like that. So the flange right there is on the inside of the wheel. So you want to put it in. Let me get started here. Just like that, okay? Thread it in. Because that flange holds the wheel center in the oh, whatever you want to call it here, I don't know. Shit. Okay. Well, guys, I'll come back and see if I can find the specs on the torque specs for this, and I'll get this done here. So